Today I'm doing a side part sewing, and this time I'm going to use mousse to do my baby hairs. I know in my previous videos I told you guys that I like to use freeze spray and gel, but now I'm just more on the mousse side of things. I like the softer look now, but if my clients prefer the gel, I still do that method as well. It's really what my clients prefer, but if it's up to me, I would do the mousse. As you can see, the foundation color that I use is a little bit lighter than her actual skin tone, and I actually went in later and darkened it up more off camera. You have to make sure with the darker skin tones that you match it exactly, because if not, it'll have a halo effect, and that's just not cute. I actually went and bought more darker colors, so yeah, make sure you do that. After sewing the back of the frontal down, I go right in with my bundles and I sew all 3 bundles in. I like to lay the lace down last. And now I'm using my Boho Active Glue, and I'm using about 4 to 6 layers. I found over time that 2 to 3 is just not enough, especially for girls that sweat. 5 to 6 just holds the frontal down longer, but in order to do that many layers and have it neat, you have to lay it down really neat and thin. You can't really like do it bulky and chunky. So that's why I like to use the rat tail comb, because I just move the fastest with that. So I actually ran out of storage, so a lot of this video will be in bits and pieces. So now I already laid the lace down, and I'm just pulling out where I want my baby hairs to be. I like to cut them short now. I used to cut them too long, and that's why they wasn't giving me the vibe that I was going for. So I always keep my baby hair short. Today I use a lot of body mousse. I don't have a special one that I like to use. They all do the same thing to me. And also, I didn't get on camera, but I also misted the lace with a little bit of water. I got that technique from Erica J. It just helps with the mousse lay the hair where I want it to. So after I finish my baby hairs, I tie her down, I put her under the dryer for about 30 minutes, and then after that I untie the belt belt and I comb out my baby hair. I like to use my 1.5 inch curling iron that I got from, I believe, either Ross or Didi's. It was cheap, and I just do my signature curls, and after that I like to comb them out. Now I'm going in with my She Is Bomb Collection wax stick, and I'm using my electric hot comb. I kind of like this one better than the stove, because the stove gets too hot, I forget about it, and it just be too much. So I just like to use the electric one. It's much more simpler and it gets the job done as well. So now I'm going in with my big wide tooth comb, and I'm spraying it, and I'm combing it out, and I'm building that body. And that's pretty much the final look, guys. I will be getting a new phone soon with more storage so that I can constantly be filming and posting. And that's pretty much it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you already don't, and make sure to follow me on Instagram at slayedbymatthew.
So clean, just there, so clean. I can't wait with it. So clean.